What's going on, my peoples? Today I am going to show you what I did in the stock market again. Unfortunately, I have bad news for me. Why? Because I decided to go with AMD, and as you can see at the chart behind me, from early in the morning, the this ticker was kind of choppy, very choppy actually. So every time I would get in, the price would drop. Every time I wanted to short the stock, the price would jump up. Every time I wanted to buy again, go long, the price would go the other way. So it was just a zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. And it was just very, very difficult to predict where the price was going to go. Until eventually I got to this point where I think I was 1500 negative. Then I decided to try one more time to see if I could recover a little bit, and I ended up with, I think it was 2000 negative. And then um, at this point, I said, okay, I am going to short. I think this ticker went all the way to where it's going to go, the highest it's going to go. I'm going to short, and I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to wait because one of the reasons why I lost so much money is because every time I would get in, when the price would go the other way, I would get out, and I would get out for a loss. And I did that like I don't know 7 times, and next thing you know, I was over $1,000 red. So this time I got in, and of course they went the other way. In fact, I think it went almost $2. I was shorting, and it went up $2. But I was like, okay, the price is not going to keep going up. It now I see the pattern of how the stock market is behaving, especially with this company. In the mornings, usually goes up, and then let's say 11, 12, 1 p.m., the price will start coming down. So that's what I've been seeing for the past 2 weeks, and I decided I'm just going to wait. If for some reason decides to go to the moon, I'm going to lose big time today. And that's what I did. I decided to wait, 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 and eventually the price came back down. And at one point, I was losing like $3,600, right? Because I got in and the price went up, and I added to my losses, but I didn't get out. I was still holding. And then eventually, wait, that was too fast. I paused the video during the day because I was in front of the screen for 6 hours. Okay. Um, and I'm not going to record 6 hours and try to show you 6 hours because it'll be silly. So I pause the video, and when I think something is about to happen or I'm going to make a move, I start recording again. So that's why you see those big jumps. But there. So it looked like, well, basically the price went up, up, up. And then, as you can see, it went up, uh, I would say 90 cents up in 2 minutes. And then it just dropped. So luckily, I was still holding, and I was still saying, I'm going to short this company. And then that's when I started making my money back. But if you were the type of person who saw that big bar, that big green bar, and you thought, oh, the price is going to the moon, let me jump in. Well, you're probably also red, just like me. Because even though I was shorting, I was only shorting with 1,000 shares. I could have gotten more, but because the price was so unpredictable, I didn't want to put more money at risk. So I said, if I can, recover a little bit with 1,000 shares, I'm fine. If the price goes up and messes me up, then it won't be too bad because it's only 1,000 shares. I mean, the price can only go up $3, $4 the most, right, at 2 p.m. Um, but yeah, that's basically what I did. As you can see, basically over here, this is basically where I got in. Um, right there. And I was just waiting. I waited for 2.5 hours until the price started coming down again. Technically, I was supposed to get out before, but because the price went up and then eventually came down, I recover a little bit. A little bit. Like I said, I recover just a little bit. I don't recover 100%. But this is what we're dealing with in the stock market. Tomorrow, I'm going to try to see if I can make some profit again. And tomorrow it'll be Friday. If by tomorrow I can't make any profit, then Monday I'll be going back to trading with one share only, just to trade, right? Because it's just very hard to make money right now as a day trader with this kind of charts. You can probably go long if you just jump in and buy first thing in the morning, which I don't recommend. You should wait a couple of minutes before you decide which way it's going to go, or just wait until lunchtime and try to short. That's what I've learned today. Anyway, don't want to make this video too long. Like I said, what did I learn today? Start really, really early if you want to go long, or start after, during lunchtime, try to go short. Because, you know, the price goes up in the morning and then in the afternoon it drops. But in between, it's always choppy, 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 choppy. And it's just really difficult to make money. If you try to buy something with 100 shares, you're gonna make what, $2? It's not even worth the time. But anyway, so there, I got out there. I don't know if you noticed, I have my I put a buy order because I was shorting, and the price actually dropped another 40 cents actually from this point on. So I could have made more money, but at the same time, if you can see right above my head, look, if I would have shorted this and never got out, look, it went all the way up. So, but why didn't you catch that one, Jeff? Because I'm seeing 2 green bars, 1 solid red bar. 3 green bars, 1 solid red bar. And it's just difficult to make money because you might be able to get in, you start making money, and next thing you know, boom, it drops. So, don't want to take more chances like that. Anyway, if you like the video, I'm happy for you. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.